Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart and lift one knee towards your chest. Arm extended to the side of your body, while opposite arm folding at the elbow, keeping it at shoulder height. Lower your knee and arm back down, then repeat on the other side. Alternate sides in a fluid motion, keeping your posture straight and engaging your core throughout the movement. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and arms at your sides. Lift one leg to the side while simultaneously raising the opposite arm overhead and another at the lower side, keeping your body upright. Lower your arm and place your leg back to the starting position, while clapping, then repeat on the other side. Move fluidly between both sides, engaging your core and maintaining good posture throughout the exercise. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Step one leg out to the side while keeping your arms extended. Return your leg and arms to the center. Repeat the movement by stepping the other leg out to the side and extending your arms again. Step one leg out to the side while making fists with your hands, opening your bent elbows to the sides. Return to the center, then repeat the movement with the other leg, stepping it out to the side while opening your hands again. Travel sideways with arms lightly raised for balance. Step one foot out to the side, cross the other foot behind it, step out again, then cross in front, traveling sideways in a grapevine pattern. Keep your hips facing forward, steps light, and reverse direction smoothly to the beat. Walk forward with feet hip-width apart and arms soft at your sides. With each step, lift your heel high off the ground, landing heel first and rolling through the full foot before lifting the next. Keep your core tight, stay tall, and match each heel lift to the rhythm of the music. Walk forward with feet shoulder-width apart and arms bent at your sides. With each step, drive one knee up high while twisting your upper body toward that knee, bringing the opposite elbow to meet it. Alternate sides continuously as you walk, keeping the twist controlled and the core tight to the beat of the music. Stand tall with feet together, arms stretched overhead, palms together. Bounce lightly in place while keeping your arms reaching up. Stay tall through your body and keep your core tight. Land softly and repeat on the other side. Walk forward with feet shoulder width apart and arms open wide at chest height. Cross both arms in front of your chest in a big hug as you step, then open them back out wide, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Keep alternating open and cross in a smooth, flowing rhythm as you continue walking. Stand with feet apart, one arm raised overhead, the other down by your side. Twist your hips to one side while swinging your arms in opposite directions. Return to center, then switch sides. Keep your core tight and move smoothly. Stand tall with feet shoulder width apart, elbows bent by your sides. Twist your waist from one side to another side, palms facing each other and moving in circular motion. Keep your core tight and move smoothly.